WPC floor is sintered from the mixed powders of bamboo or wood and plastic in high temperature and high pressure with some essential activators, shaping by extrusion molding. Even after a long service period, the WPC floor still has the great consistence on appearance and stability on externality geometry. It is very hard to be parasitized and cracked. Also, it is marked by low water absorption and maintenance cost. The main materials for the WPC are the wood or bamboo powders, which are recycled from the floor or furniture manufactories, and the recycled plastic articles. Enormous natural woods will be reserved from the prevailing of WPC, which also can alleviate the white pollution caused by plastic articles. It is an environment-friendly products company and comply with the trend in development, characterized as low carbon, recycling, and environmental conservation. This technology is well worth being popularized. Tools: electric drill, impact drill, drill, screwdriver, cutting machine, hammer, protective gloves. Main components: expansion tube, initial positioning components, SS screws, SS main girder adapters, plastic adapters, SS adapters, WPC girders, groove floors, 7-shape seated selvages, mental and WPC. Procedure of installation. 1. Make sure the grout level is smooth before installation. 2. There are 3 adapters across 100 centimeters in the girders. Position the adapters in the girders by 50 centimeter space between 2 adjacent adapters. 3. Fix the girders to the ground by the expansion tubes. Four. Keep 1 centimeter space from the girders to the walls. And 25 to 30 centimeters, 35 centimeters suggested as usual, to each of the girders, and position all the girders in turn. 5. Check the girders level when all the girders are fixed to the ground. If the girders level is not smooth, adjust the level by filling the gap between the girder and ground with slices. 6. The first floor should be fixed with the girder by the initial adapter before it is installized. 7. Have the rest floors to be fixed by the plastic or mental adapters in turn. 8. Please keep 0.3 to 0.5% gap between the floors and adjacent walls. Also, between the adjacent floors. 9. The last floor should be fixed to the girder with screws. 10. Seal the floor's borders with WPC sealing belt. 'Mental sealing belt is another option. Installation procedure, showed as above, is universal for all grooved floors in our company. If the floor is a groove connection type, all the requirements on the ground level, spaces between adjacent girders and between adjacent floors, spaces between girders and adjacent walls, are the same, except for fixing the floors to the girders with screws directly. Attentions on the floor installation of groove connection type. The WPC is hard to be drilled, and the lead hole for tapping is necessary. Keep 3 to 4 mm space between adjacent floors to prevent expansion. This product is not suggested to be used in dark, humid, airless environments, such as bathroom, bathhouse, and basement, etc., where the floor may become mildewed. Maintenance. 1. Water stain. There will be some water stains on the surface of the newly installed floors when the water on the floor surface evaporated after a rain. It is a temporary phenomenon for the floor not adapting to the open air, which will disappear in about 1 to 2 months by itself. It can be cleaned by wiping with cleaning ball. 2. Mud water, dust, etc. Clean the floor surface with water regularly. Brush it when needed to keep the floor as a new appearance. 3. Scratch oil stains, some constraints, alcohol stains, etc., which are hard to be removed from the floor surface. Wipe the surfaces to abate the stains before cleaning the floors with the mixture of cleanser and tepid soap water. Depending on the exemious environment-friendly qualities and service durabilities, the Sentai WPC floor is not only favored by the 2008 Beijing Olympics, but also assigned to be the outdoor floor supplier for the 2010 Shanghai Expo. Our products are very popular in more than 70 countries and regions. From the correct installation and maintenance, it will show you a much better stabilities and durabilities.